side of highlights. Also, well, today's video we are going to be joined by no one, but first of all I have to eat my breakfast, if I can actually get in. Nom 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 nom. Delicious. I have got the emerald ready, but I've got my loot. This isn't for my loot, this is for my builds that we're going to build today. Can I get all the builds that I asked for this morning, please? There's your... you're picking it all back up, mate. I'll just stand on your... You're picking it back all up. You need to go back, mate. You're picking it up. Not yet. Drop it down. This is what's cool about having a personal villager. You're gonna give me all the stuff? You've only given me 3 things. Is that all I have enough for? Okay, well, I guess we have to live with that, I guess. But yeah, today we're going to be building a underground railway, because we need to get places faster. I'm sure, I don't know, there's no helpers. JJ's not on right now, so I don't know who's going to help me. I miss my helpers. But yeah, the railway station will be in here. I know it's a bit weird that it's in the fun land, but there's no free space up there and this build is going to be huge. Not huge, but like, you know. This needs to be turned off actually. If you don't know, Brainstorm made this. To bring back JJ, I'm very thankful. Alright, so yeah, this is the build. It's quite big. But yeah, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't want to die now. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ow. I'm gonna die in a minute. Let me go set my spawn in, capture the pig. Because I'm probably going to die, and I don't want to die. Because if I die, I die. That's not good, is it? Alright, let's set my spawn. Oh. I want to know where my helper is. I want to know where that dumbass is. That dumbass guy is the one that's good at building, but a dumbass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that right? Yeah. But yeah, this is all in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ow. Why is there a hole in that machine? I forgot about this. Yeah, and then we go in depth, so there. Oh my god. I just shit myself. I just spoke about you, hello. You alright? I think it was you I spoke about, yeah. But yeah, help me build, please. We're building a railway station. Or underground. Oh, I've done something wrong here. Oh. No, that's right, that's right. Yeah, no, it's meant to be like that. Ow. What? Yeah, it's meant to be like that. I think, anyway. This build has gone terribly wrong. What? Wait, what has happened here? This is one more. Yeah, I see what I've done wrong. I see what I've done wrong now. So that this is meant to be here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What the hell is he doing? Is he going to help build? Wrong. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's still wrong. Unless this needs to be... Yeah, I can't reach that, mate. Oh, wait, wait, no, I have an idea. This might have to be 2. No, that don't need to go there. I know how to do it, don't I? Wait, how many has it gone up? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Oh, I might die. What? What's happened to this build? Wow, you've almost just killed me then, don't do that ever again. I'm 2 hearts. Don't hit me, I'm 2 hearts. Stop, I'm 2 hearts. Alright, right, let's run down to the middle. Wait, I'm running down to the middle a minute. Oh no, I might know what's gone wrong. Need a hill. It's this side that's gone wrong. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why is this not all the way at the corner? Oh, it's meant to be like that, isn't it? Sorry about this, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I fixed it. Ow, 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 ow. No, I haven't. What the hell? Yeah, I just tried doing that and it didn't work. No, but look on that side. It's not even. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then go down. Ah, I fixed this. Now this needs to go. Oh no. Yeah, I fixed it. We fixed it. There we go. It's fixed. I think. Yeah, it is. There we go, we finally got there. I think he's picked up all my blocks. Right. Bloody hell. Well, I don't need any more of that, so I'm just going to get a bunch of wood. Oh, my days. I'm feeling lonely. I don't know why I'm singing. But yeah, no, this will be, because it's like slow getting around everywhere, we're gonna make railways going everywhere. Like maybe to spawn, but that would take a while. But one going to my house, one going to his castle, yeah, something like that, I don't know. I don't want to jump down because I might die. Wait, I didn't take damage then. What the hell? I didn't take damage. I don't want to go backwards. And you will have to actually get a ticket for a minecart. I'm making a work at ticket system as well. It'll be the same method I use for my secret base. So if you know that one, you know how to work it. I actually don't know this helper's name. I'm just gonna call you, I don't know. But, I need some blocks. I've run out of blocks, so if you've got any, I've run out some blocks. Actually, no, you could probably finish this with your blocks, if you can. Oh no. I could grab them. Ow. Should just grab some dirt a minute. Bloody hell. Yeah, there'll be a big entrance here, so let's count this. Where do we think the middle is? I'm gonna take a massive guess a minute. Wait, let me count a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have an idea. I'm gonna get a crafting table. Wherever a crafting table is. We're gonna get some stairs. Oh. And then we'll give me a sec. Why the amount I needed, that looks cool. And then yeah. Oh yeah, little guards, you know. We can actually put iron gunners, but put I don't know, maybe put snowmans there, I don't know. I don't want to put snowmans, because the last time I put snowman somewhere, they cause hectic. Oh, you've indented. Oh, bloody hell. Alright, well. By any chance, would you, wait. Oh no. Oh no, we wouldn't be able to play any, I was going to say, do you want to play some spleef? But we don't have, I don't think this leads underwater. Only like over here leads underwater. At least I'm getting dirt from this. Bloody hell, how'd you get that much? Ow. Yeah, I know you can break fast. I actually don't know how they can break fast. I want their powers. Jesus Christ. And he just fell in the water. Yeah, sorry about today. I am a bit ill. I'm not on the well side. Wait, can I turn these back into wood? Oh no. No, I can't. And what have I just done? Where's their boots there? Oh, they're fixed boots I'm taking on. Are we using that word for the floor? Sound. I don't know about the corners. I might change like the corners up here, maybe. Take that and that. Don't look that bad. This video has been 19 minutes, Jesus Christ. What? Yeah, I don't have that block, mate. Anyway, we're gonna finish the floor outside of the video, but we're gonna end that there, and then the next video we'll probably be able to do the roof and some of the interior. But thanks for watching. Thanks for my help for joining me. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all you guys. And we'll see you all later. Bye.